Hello comrades, this is Comrade Colonel Vile. It is 4:52 a.m. in the morning, and as usual I cannot sleep. So I thought, hey, you know, there's a storm outside. I think I might take a look at it. And so here I am at 4 in the morning. We're almost 5 now. It's 4:52 last I checked. And I'm recording yet another video. I didn't expect any storms tonight, but I'm glad there is. You know how storms excite me. I love them. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a bit of footage of these lightning, and maybe it rained, and I'm going to shut up so I do not ruin the rest of the video. Maybe I'll get some good footage. Let's find out. It really helps when you stand under a tree, by the way. Just, you can get that perfect lightning strike shot. And here comes the rain. Damn it, I said I was going to shut up, but I'm obviously not. So, I apologize. But, I can't help it. Standing right out in the open of the field, pointing my camera down, and over there is the house. I'm just standing right out in the open, or else I can't get any good footage. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So it feels like that lightning's directly above me. I can't exactly tell. As usual, the storm is approaching from the southwest. Yes, southwest. That's where they always approach from. I saw a few good lightning strikes in this direction, so I'm gonna try to keep it focused on here. Although it's lightning all around me and the rain stopped. Here comes the rain once more. Let's see what you've got. Well, I've got a cigarette. How about that, huh? Woo! That was a big lightning strike over there, but I did not catch it, unfortunately. Goodbye, cigarette. Whee! Oh shit, my camera cameras. Oh yeah, that's where the lightning's going, right here. I need to stay focused in this area. It's a damn shame that my camera battery is low, but I'm gonna film as much as I can while I can. Maybe the storm will intensify, and it is. Now it's really pouring down on me. Damn it. I should probably go inside. I don't know if my camera's waterproof or not, but I know it's been through a lot, so it should be. Oh fuck. Is that hail? Yep, that's hail. Ow, ow, ow. Fuck, fuck, shit, fuck. Ow, ow, ow. Well, it's a good way to end it. Well, as you can see, yep, hell, ow, hell all over the place. There it comes. I'm getting pelted. Ow. No, I let the dogs in. It's hailing outside. I was out right in it. I'm getting some video. I'm recording it on video. You want to say hi to the camera?
Yeah.
Say hi, Grandma. I can't see you though. Hold on. There you go. Say hi. There's their guardian dogs. Look at that. He's getting pelted in the head a pretty good few times. Look at that. I'm going to check out the radar and see what it says. Alright, so now I take a look at my radar for incoming enemy clouds. So here's my talking to some comrades here. Raven, Murder Princess, my comrade. Me and Kogu had a little boxing spar. That was fun. Now YouTube, of course, got that opened up. Now I'm going to check out the radar. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks so sexy. Come at me. Look at the biggest stuff hasn't even hit us yet. There's Altus right there in the middle. And all that red stuff is good stuff. Good as in bad, or depending how you look at it. It's good to me. Bring it on. I guess I'm Gonna switch batteries on this thing. I got them in my pocket like a good photographer should. Always be prepared. So I'm gonna end this video now and then upload it, and I'll talk to you comrades later. This is Comrade Colonel File. Over and out.